Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be discussing moving forward with an LS engine from the Factory 533 hot rod. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notifications buttons below, and share with others on social media. As you all know, the last video was not pretty for me. I almost pulled the trigger on the kit car, but I had some other investments at work, and I just don't like being in debt. It haunts me. So it's a little depressing, but I'm moving forward and I'm going to build an engine for this car. It is a whole major task on its own, and it will take lots of research. It might take months to build. I'm not really sure on that, but I can't really move forward until I get something and get my hands dirty. I also decided I'm not going to buy a donor vehicle for this engine and part it out. I don't have a commercial space or big enough garage to have an extra vehicle like a Suburban sitting around for a year as parts are slowly picked at and sold. And I want to start building my car and not dismantle another. So I'm going to have to travel to Phoenix to find an engine that is already pulled and complete, since I mentioned before it's really hard to find anything in my town. I'm looking to spend somewhere in the $1,000 to $1,500 range on a 6.0 liter and just start the process. I have a van that has a trailer hitch, so all I need to do is rent a trailer and make my way up to Phoenix and then bring it back down. Phoenix is about anywhere between an hour and a half, 2 hours away, depending on how fast you drive. I'm assuming I'll be driving slower since I'll have a trailer on the back of my van. And not sure if I'm going to go enclosed or open trailer. Not sure how the engines are already packed, if it's on some kind of crate or if it's all enclosed or what's happening. So we'll have to figure that all out. But until next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons and have a great day.